Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about a new credit card that's going to give you 3%. You're going to get 3% back in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, you guys. Now, everybody, I am so into the XRP. The XRP, they actually stopped allowing it to be traded on Coinbase. I've been following this so much, you guys, and I'm just so excited for what's there to come with the XRP. Also have some of the Ethereum too. I definitely love what's happening with this because I'm seeing a 25% growth so far with them, and I think it's only been a week. But I've seen a great growth with them. But I want to show you guys this credit card that's going to give you that, basically give you the cryptocurrency, 3% back in cryptocurrency, you guys. So it's kind of like they investing for you. Now, if you guys don't know about Bitcoin, look, you guys, when Bitcoin first came out, they said that you can get 1,300 of them for $1. Now, this is how much one Bitcoin is worth. Now, you guys, this is how much one of them is worth. But if you were to buy a Bitcoin when they first came out, and they were 1,300 of them you get for $1, and you actually held those this long, then you would have seen a great increase, like crazy, in your value of what you have in your money. Now, it's not too late to invest, so I definitely want to show you guys this credit card that you guys can definitely apply for. The Gemini credit card, you guys, I'm not sure what credit score they're going to require that you have. I'm not sure any details in regards to their qualifications. All I know is that they're going to offer you guys 3% back in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So they're saying imagine a credit card that invests for you. So that is really good that you guys actually get to put this money into cryptocurrency. Yeah, other credit cards, you can just take that money and automatically put it into the cryptocurrency. But the point that they're doing it for you without you thinking too much, or without you saying, oh, I need to take that extra money and put it over into a cryptocurrency, it's good that they're just doing it for you. So again, you guys, you'll have to join the waiting list. It's not actually here right now, but I'm getting into the cryptocurrency like really heavy, you guys. And I just want to let you guys know about this new credit card. There's other accounts out there too, you guys, in terms of debit cards that you can use using cryptocurrency. And I even have a new video coming out that I'm going to post for you guys to show you how you can send money across the world with like basically no fees, or like a small fee. And it's kind of like Cash App, but you don't have to necessarily have Cash App, or the person that you're sending it to don't have to have they don't have to have the app right away, but they can still get the money. So this is going to be available across the United States. But the thing that I'm going to show you on how to send money in terms of send it to a peer, send it to a family member that's outside the country, that I definitely want to show you guys how to do that. So definitely make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later.